It's showtime!
Oh god, he's pissed, he's pissed!
Tornado or what? I should kick your f***ing ass! Rise up! Woo!
This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Alert System. During hazardous weather and emergency situations, the alert tones which were just broadcast will automatically activate special receivers to alert you of impending hazard. This test is normally around 11 a.m. If hazardous weather is during the period, the test may be canceled. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the alert tones will only be activated for the following counties in the KXI79 listening area. The temperature was 57 degrees. In Springfield, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 58.
You woke up. You woke up, St. Louis. You woke up. So let's go see what radios we have. Okay, the 519, the CL100, the 262, the WR300 version 8, the WR400, the 74200, the R1650D, the AlertWorks, the Zone Guard, and the WR120. Yeah, welcome home.
Automatically activate special receivers to warn of the impending hazard each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. Each Wednesday is postponed until the threat of severe weather. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day available this broadcast, and the warning alarm feature is broadcast, and the warning alarm feature will normally vary with this may occur even if you are using a good quality receiver. Now return to regular programming. We now return to regular programming. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast.